Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 2 on our Daniel fast. If you tried day 1, I want to believe you are really enjoying it, or you enjoyed it. And so before we go to the recipe, let's look at the Bible verses that I used. Daniel 2 and Psalm 121. And so let's also read something from our book. The time to trust God is not when life is calm and sings a psalm. It's when the storms rage, and our song is but a lisping cry. Sambokwate Pepin from the book Hope Through the Dark. Get it and you are going to love it. Okay, so on today's menu is fruit salad, yes, with some seeds here and there. You are going to enjoy it. But before we go on, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment and click on the notification bell. And so we are going to have some juice also and our fruit salad. Okay, so what we are going to do is we'll first start with our juice. So we are making use of watermelon and ginger. Yes, so I'm going to chopping the ginger into smaller pieces, and I just added everything to my juicer. And I'm going to also take the fruit from the melon, yes, and then add it to my juicer and juice it. Yes, so if you want to know more about Daniel fast, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Maybe you don't know what Daniel fast is all about. I'm going to leave a link there where you can watch and understand what Daniel fast is all about. Yes, so Daniel fast, you can also use it for weight loss, like I explained in the video. I'll leave the link there. You watch and understand more. So we are going to juice the melon and the ginger together. Yes, we will also be adding cucumber to it. Yes, so we are done with our juice and we are going to have our fruit salad. So we are making use of apple and we are going to slice it. So you just slice it into the sizes and the shapes that you want. Yes. And I'm adding banana also to it. And mango, yes. So I'll also be adding pawpaw. So today is all about fruits. Yes, so we have our juice and we're also going to have our fruit salad. It's all about fruits. So I'm going to use half of it. Yes, I used the apple. I made use of half. And the pawpaw, I'm using half. Okay, so I'm going to add my homemade soya milk to it, but I decided to turn it into this bowl. The other one is too big for it, so I'm going to add homemade soya milk to it. You can use almond milk or any plant-based milk. Make sure that it doesn't contain some additives here and there. It's purely organic. And I'm sprinkling chia seed and sesame seeds on top. Okay, so this is our juice also ready to be enjoyed. Yes, and so this is it for day 2 on our Daniel fast. Yes, as I said, I did 1 meal a day. I fasted throughout the day and ate in the evening, that is 4 p.m. Yes, so the recipes are just 1 meal a day, but you can do it morning and evening. Make sure they are purely Daniel fast. Yes, and so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. Click on the notification bell as well. Bye bye.